Hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see all about attribute directives. So in the previous videos we have seen about structural directives. In the upcoming video you can see component directive. So in this video we are going to see attribute directives. So these are unlike structural directives. In structural directives where we are adding and removing the elements, so in attribute directives we are just changing the appearance and behavior of html elements. So inbuilt attributes we have or ngStyle and ngClass when coming to derivatives. So directives, sorry. So let's see about ngStyle and ngClass derivative directives by using examples. So how we can do that in a real time example I'm going to show you in this video. Stay tuned. So before getting started into this thing, I want to mention that is if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from us. We have started Angular tutorials. We are covering so many parts in Angular. So don't miss, you have to subscribe first. And also I'm using Stagblis website to practice purpose. So it is very cool website where you can practice at that particular instant only. I have made a review video for that. You can go through that video so that you'll understand how to use this website. So while clicking on this Angular part, you will get latest version of Angular environment will be created, so that where you can practice that. So I'm going to show you examples in that particular website only. So ngStyle directive is one where we can give stylings to a particular element, like DOM element are there, right? So H1 element or div element or any kind of thing to apply styling. For that we use this ngStyle in Angular. So to apply any class to that particular DOM element, we have to use ngClass. So both can be conditionally applied or conditionally removed. Likewise, you can do to make and feel look good of your application. So I will show you with examples so that you will understand better. So ngStyle is nothing but to give stylings, and ngClass is nothing but to give class to the elements. Whereas class is nothing but list of stylings, right? So you can understand this point. Like ngStyle gives the fine graded control on the individual properties. If you want to make changes to multiple properties at once by creating a class with the bundle of those properties and adding that class to the particular element by using ngClass, so that will make more sense, right? So for one property you can give ngStyle, or for two properties also you can specify an ngStyle. Whereas to give bundle of properties to a particular element, you can apply those all things into a class, form into a class to the stylings, and then that class you can use the particular element, so that all stylings listed in the particular class will be uh, applied to that particular element. So let's see with the example so that you will understand better. So I'm going to this app component, which is defaultly created. If you are working in a local machine also, you can have this app component where you can do the practice likewise. So I'm removing the old previous things which I don't want. So they have using hello component likewise. So all these things will not needed. I will show you the examples related to ngStyle and ngClass. So I'm getting errors because I'm using some classes and properties here. So that thing we have to specify here so that the errors will go on. First, I'm using the status one. Sorry, status some variable, and next I'm using some two classes likewise. So we're using a public kind of thing. I want to see the classes which I'm using here. Set bg color is the one class. Which have some return type, that is background color what you want, so that thing you can mention. And next one more method I have, so I'm just copy pasting that part. So what method I have is get status success status class, where success status is maybe true or false will be there. So I have given some classes here so that my errors has gone here. You can see the outputs. So let's understand how we have given those kind of things. First, let's understand ng class kind of thing here. So you can see how general syntax will be like this. Ng class attribute, this kind of square brackets we have to mention. ng style, so h1 element ng style, the syntax will be like this. First we have to specify the property and that value for that property. Normal stylings how we apply for inline styling, the same format will be there. So the first element you can see that background color I am applying green, so background color is green. By default the text will be a black color. And next also what I'm doing in the second case is I'm applying ngStyle. Not only one property, I'm applying second property also, that is background color as a white. So color as white and background color as green. So color is nothing but text color, right? So the text color you can see here is white for the second element, and the background color is green. Okay. So next, third thing what I'm doing here is, so ngStyle is there and background color I'm applying based upon some condition I am giving here. So the property here value I'm deciding based upon condition. Here condition what I'm giving is status is a variable. If the status variable is success, then right, conditional statement, if the condition which we are giving is true, that will go to the first true statement, and next it will go to the second false statement. So if this is a true, then it will give as a green color. If it is a false, then it will give as a red color, right? So value will be decided by based upon condition. So status what I have given in the ts file, status as success. So you can see what I have given status, uh, yeah, public status I have given as success here. So success, it is equal to success. So background color as green here. So if I remove as success here as failure or other than success, whatever we have mentioned, the specified, then the statements, this statement is equal to success is failure. So they go to the false statement. So background color will be set as red color. So like this, we can based upon conditional also, as we told in this point, like ng class and ng will be used conditionally to set the look and feel of your application. So here based upon that variable value, we are making that as green or red color. So this is all about ng style. So not only upon the variable name, but also you can apply based upon the method. So method name what we are method what is returning the value, based upon that also you can set the property value here. So back in the fourth line, you can see in the fourth line what I'm doing, back setting background color by using ng style property by using method. So this method in the ts file is returning blue color. So get bg color I'm giving as blue. Based upon some conditions also you can return whatever you want. So blue color background is set as blue color here. Otherwise, if you want to change any color here, so I'm changing as a green color, so then green color it has changed. So whatever this method is returning, so that value will goes to this particular thing here, get bg color. So I think you got clarity about ng style. Not only based upon normal properties, you can give two or more properties like font size and any other properties also. And also by giving like this, you can it will be inline so many properties. Instead of that, you can make a class. So you can add all the stylings to the class and make use of that class, so that all properties to elements of stylings to be applied to that element, so that can be overridden by using ngClass. So now you understand why we have ngClass instead of ngStyle. So next, not only directly we can give based upon condition, and also based upon the return value of a method. So this is all about ng style. So now I want to comment this ng styling part. So uncomment this ng class kind of things. So you can see ng class kind of things I am uncommenting. So sorry. So you can see here kind of things we have here. See, success, all are getting hello worlds only because I haven't written any classes, because it is not using Bootstrap, right? So I have to write those classes. Like first success class, I am writing. For success, what we have to give is color should be red, and also background color. Sorry, success green, right? So make it as white. Color will be white because text color, and next background color will be green. Then what I have to apply is font size. I want to apply font size. I am applying as 60 pixel to make it as 50, sorry, 40. So let's see. I have applied three these properties. We can also apply by using ng style, like three properties here. So unlike that, you can also make a class so that you can apply all the stylings here likewise. So next, let's see example first of all. So let's see this. To apply that particular success kind of class to your thing, you have to use this ngClass success property. Some class is there, class name is success. You have to give true, like whether the class is to be applied or not. So you have to give true, then particular class will only be applied. So success class is true, so this hello world text first line will comes like whatever we have given for the success class here. Like color will be white and background green and font size is 40 pixel. So all this is applied to this particular first element. You can see this, right? So next time what we can do is, so directly we have given true in the first time. So based upon the condition also you can specify that whether the class is to be applied to that element or not. Here I am giving status as success, then only apply this class success to this particular element. So status where we are applying is in the TS file. If I give the status as failure, the condition will be false, so false will come here, so this success is not applying here. If I give particular status element as success here, just see I'm changing here success, then you can see here it is condition is true, success status is equal to success, then the success class is applied to that second element. Here for this element you got this value. So other than that, if you given other than success or any value to the status like no value also, then it will be a failure one. So only when we give success only you will get this status class will be applied to the second element. So next we have a method kind of thing, like how we are doing for the ng styles. We are taking the value through the method. Here also we can take the true value whether the class is applied or not, can be taken by using this method also. So get state success status. I have one method called get success status where I am getting true value. So this success class is applying to that particular element here, third element. This is hello element 1, and here hello hi hello element 2, and here hi element. Three types of conditions we can give to the value for that. So get status is returning true value, so you are getting success to this element. Success class is adding. If you given false to this, here you can see that is vanished for this element. So if you return based upon the returning value of this element will decide whether the class is to be applied to that element or not. So this is all about ng class based upon conditions how we have to add. So other than that, one point to remember while using ng class is, so you can give normal text success. I can give like I have shown you, right. This is similar to success only. Like you can also give apply one more class like text success. Success is nothing but color as green, right? That is nothing but, sorry, color green. Then you can see color green. So unlike this what we have is text failure also there. Text failure is nothing but we have to give color red. So see, text success true for this element. So this third element you can see success true. Text success, text is coming as a green color. So next text failure is true, then it is getting a red color here. So up to here is fine. Now see this line. Text success and text failure. I am giving both the things related to text styling only. So what type of text will apply to this? So a comment in the comment section if you got this kind of things. So here it will apply the last styling we have applying here. Is a text failure only applied here. So you can see the text failure is red color only here you are getting. That is text failure only getting for this. So this is the value for that. This can see failure case. Failure. The text failure we are getting. Second one only applying. When you give background colors are both BG success and BG failure. I have to specify that particular styling, right? So I don't have that. So what I'm giving is BG success and BG failure, which is of background in this. See, I have given success, BG success and BG failure stylings there. I'm applying that BG success and BG failure both are true, then the last one only will be applied true only. So this is BG failure. BG failure will come here. You can see last thing. BG failure here, this one. So this is the second last most property will only apply if you both are having same stylings. You have to make sure that particular thing, like not two classes which you are specifying we have same stylings, then it will make confused like what type of stylings it will apply. So you can make sure that last particular stylings will be applied, that first one will be override with the next one. So next to see these examples, like we have BG success. If you, the stylings are different, like for example, if it is having different types of styling, one is background color and one is text kind of things, then both the classes will be applied. Two classes also you can apply simultaneously, on the based upon a single condition, or also in the other condition also you can apply. So if you want to apply two things based upon one condition, that is like here likewise you can do, or otherwise likewise you can give specify like this, and you can do some more condition for that and again other condition for another. So likewise also you can apply. So or similar based upon single condition also you can apply like this. So this is all about ngClass, how we have to applying like last one we can see BG success and text as a true for failure, and text success as a text red color, and BG failure as a background color. So this is all about ngClass and styles, how they are applying the stylings and classes, listing all these stylings in one thing by using we can use ngClass. So that based upon conditions also you can see based upon variables and based upon return type of a method. So this is all about ngClass and ngStyle. I think you got clear clarity on these kind of things. So if you have any doubts, feel free to comment in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to your comments, and also share these videos to your friends and colleagues who don't know about this how to use ngClass and ngStyle kind of things in Angular. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.